Hey fellows, good afternoon. Today is July 20th, and I'm here at our big door project. I know this was a project I was really excited about, and still till this day we are really excited about it. And like I did mention in one of our first video, we're trying to get one for the books, and we finally did. The last one we did was a 12 feet. This one is actually 15 feet, and on this one we're actually using Andersen multiglide dowel system. We have that delivered on site, and I'm going to show you guys, and that's somewhere on the other side. I'm going to show it to you. But right now what I'm here to really talk about is about the construction. We finally broke ground. We do have the contractor here on site with his crew by the name Doug, and I'm also here with Mr. Cameron. That's him chilling over there. You know, he's the boss, so he's chilling. So guys, we started demo. So I'm gonna flip my camera and then just show you guys what we're doing here, and discuss the few items we had to troubleshoot here in the job site. So we just spent the last say maybe 30-40 minutes trying to go through the drawings and some changes due to field condition. This is the approved set. I did show you guys this some time ago, and some of the changes we're addressing had to do with the structural footing. So I'm gonna go out there to the detail. I'll just quickly show you the detail. One of the things we had to address was this detail, and also how to make this connection. And really why we're doing this or making these changes is because of the condition here in the field. So I'm gonna walk over there and talk about these things that came up. So we found out this is typical of most construction sites. When the walls are still closed up, you don't know what's really going on behind the wall. So what we found out was that this concrete was actually much lower. We thought it was probably somewhere up there, and then we found out it's much lower. So now we've actually worked out a couple of detail changes with the engineer. We just got off the phone with him. Actually, we spent about 12 minutes going through these details. We also found out about, we made a few changes to the shear wall nailing. Now instead of going 4-inch on center with the nailing, we're gonna go 2-inch on center with the nailing. And then we're gonna add a couple of blocking. Also the hold down, we're gonna go with we're gonna go from 8 to 11. And so the other thing we're doing here is we found out that the parallam that is supposed to go on here, we called out for a 16 inch deep parallam, which is a 6x16. What we found out is that the existing rim band, so there's an example of a rim band, which is this, that's what's actually hold on the floor. We found out that that's actually much lower. So you see where that shear wall is over there? That's where that's sitting. So now we're gonna go back to using steel connection, and that's what we're proposing right now, because we don't have this 16-inch height that we're looking for. Originally the design was going to be with a steel beam, but due to cost we had to go back to the drawing board to change that to some kind of engineer lumber. Initially we had a 20-inch glue line, but that was way too high. We had a suspicion that was going to impact the floor above, so we went with a parallam, which was 16-inch, and now we figured that we're going to need an additional 4-inch to make it actually work because of the rim band, which is much thicker. So so now we're working, I just spoke to the engineers working on the detail. We're going back to the original idea of using a steel beam connection. So that actually works out better because we're going to have a steel, actually it's calling out for, I think it's 6x8, so we're going to have that. And that gives us about 4-inch because we have a 12-inch clearance before the bottom of the rim band. So what we can do is we can put a double plate there, and that will help us with our nailing above, our shear wall nailing above. So it ended up working out as well. So what we're actually doing now is just Jack is going to work out the cost with his steel buddies, steel colleagues, just to get a sense of what that cost is going to look like. So guys, as you can see, the deck system has been taken, it's all been ripped out. We do have some footings that have been dug out to provide additional support for the footing, so that's one of them. And then we do have another here. And then we're also going to have a shear wall that terminates right at the edge of the window. So we're going to have a 6x6 post there, so we can nail our shear on there. So that's the next hole that's been dug for the footing. So guys, I'm going to leave this video at this. As you can see, guys, we've got a very beautiful, amazing view here looking back at the city and also the Bay Area. So guys, I'm just gonna leave this video here. When next I'm here at the job site, I'm gonna bring you guys up to speed and just walk you guys through this process. I spoke to Jack. Jack is anticipating about 3 weeks to 4 weeks for this project. So guys, I cannot wait for this project to be completed. It's something we've been really excited about, and we can't wait to see the finished product. So guys, over there, that's the bifold door. Sorry, that's the multi-glide door system over there. So right now it's just there, secured and installed there for now, till when we're ready for installation. So guys, I'll leave this at this. As always, guys, keep supporting us, keep liking our respective channel, do share these videos, and as always, guys, peace.